Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2023 Pete 389 Daycab to show you, built with an X15 565 horsepower Cummins, 18 speed, pinnable fifth wheel with wet kit, disc brakes. I've got a couple of these left, 274 on the clock. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, tires, brakes, finish up on the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. Southern trucks, no rust, look good underneath here. Body and paint looks great. Only one little scratch or rock ding on the top of the fender there. Back of the cabs look great. Those half fenders really saves those. Air track suspension. Excellent match virgin rubber. There's your pinnable fifth wheel, air slide, all aluminum wheels. Disc brakes. Here's your miles on this one. Thumb through here, low of fuel. Low of fuel. Everything else looks good. Love the digital dashes on these newer ones. Does a systems check. You can scroll through that, check everything out. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.